I seek permission from Director Sir to start the program. Sir, unmute. Sir, unmute yourself.
Yes, madam. Good afternoon, everyone present over here. Yes, you can go ahead, madam, for your further program.
A very rainy good afternoon to all of you. Respected Chief Patron Shri Tarsem Singh Sir, Honorable President of GGES, our Patron Shri S.K. Singh Sir, Honorable Secretary of GGS, our Principal Convenor Director, Professor Dr. Priyadarshi Jaruhar Sir, our Convenor Professor Bikash Ghoshal Sir, Coordinators Professor Sapan Dutta Sir, Administration Officer Professor Pallavi Prasad Ma'am, Dean, all HODs, all faculty members, staffs, and my dear students. I, Professor Anupriya of BSS Department, I welcome you all on 3 days online program of Awareness-cum-training program regarding several academic schemes of AICTE Quality Initiative from 27 September 2020 to 29 September, organized by GGSESTC Bokaro under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Today is the last day of this program and today is a closing ceremony. Today's session speakers are as follows: Professor Mehmood from Mechanical Department on PARAKH, Professor Sweta Kumari, IQSC Head and BSS Department for ISO Certificate, and Professor Vikas Jain from MBA Department for Kaizen. And we shall start the program with a blessing of Goddess Saraswati. So I request thank you so much, ma'am, for playing Saraswati. Now I request our principal convener and director sir, Dr. Priyadarshi Jaruhar sir.
Good afternoon, everyone present over here. Myself, Dr. Priyadarshi Jaruhar, Director, GGSTC Bokaro. On behalf of our institution, I welcome our Chief Patron, Shri Tarsem Singh Ji, Honorable President, GGES Bokaro, and our patron of this program, Shri S.P. Singh Sir, Honorable Secretary GGES. I also congratulate my colleague, Professor Dr. Bikash Ghoshal Sir, convener of this program, and I must congratulate coordinator, Mr. Sapan Dutta Sir, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, and I also congratulate all the participants, speakers who have joined this, particularly the convener of this program, Professor Anupriya Madam, Assistant Professor in English Department of our college, and Professor Jayanti Kumari, Assistant Professor in Electrical and electronics engineering, and other eminent speakers who joined this platform of knowledge. Actually, when we thought about a world-class institution in current scenario, particularly in education 4.0, definitely we think of 5 important factors. Number one is a quality education, how education should be delivered to the student in such a manner that quality should not be compromised. At the same time, the intellectual property rights, IPRs, research of any institution, make it top institutions. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which has been rated number one rank of the world, is a private institute, particularly private engineering college, but it has great research work, many publications in nature, and many Nobel awards, Nobel prizes are given to that institution. And the third one is entrepreneurship development. Student and faculty must understand the first area of education 4.0, that is quality education, IPR, intellectual property right, entrepreneurship development, social responsibility and accountability, and innovation and idea generation. I hope the last day of this session will also excellent as usual. Last 2 days. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, today our patron and honorable secretary, sir, of GGES with us, Shri SP Singh, sir. I know, sir, you don't need any introduction, but you always motivate us with your speech. So I request you to enlighten us with your words, sir. Sir, unmute yourself, sir. Sir, sir, your voice. Sir, unmute yourself.
Now, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Right, right. Good afternoon to one and all, those who are attending the meeting and participating in the online awareness-cum-training program regarding several schemes of AICTE quality initiatives. I am very happy to note that under the leadership and guidance of our respected director, Shri Priyadarshi Jaruhar, a lot of such type of programs are now we are taking initiative, and my well wishes and are always with you. And I think we should encourage such type of program in future also, and we should try that as far as possible, maximum people from all over India, even you can say all over world, should join our different types of program. Once again, I am after showing my this satisfaction and simultaneously willingness for the futures program. I am sending my compliments and best wishes to one and all those who are attending the meeting. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your valuable time. Now I hand over the mic to Anupriya ma'am, Jayanti ma'am. So ma'am, please continue with your further question.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to all of you. I am Jayanti from EEE Department of GGSESTC. Now I request Assistant Professor Mehmood sir to share his thoughts on PARAKH.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to all. Myself, Mehmood Alam, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, I am here to present a 3-day online awareness-cum-training program regarding several academic schemes of AICTE quality initiatives. Today, I will present AICTE PARAKH scheme. The background of this scheme is, despite rapid increase in the quality of technical students in India, however, little is known about their quality. In particular, less information is available about the major specific competencies, knowledge, and soft skills of individuals. So in this project, want to assess the technical knowledge, creativity, and cognitive skills of undergraduate and postgraduate students of India. The purpose of this scheme is AICTE student learning assessment, which is also known as a PARAKH, is to evaluate technical students in India and to assess their overall qualitative and quantitative growth during the course of study in order to get a suitable employment. Scope: gathering and analyzing data about student achievement is only worthwhile if the information is utilized to improve result outcomes for students. The data gathered by the project is to use to evaluate the performance of lower level and higher order thinking skills gains and provide the enhancement method by which Indian students can lead for a better opportunity in their profession and personal growth. Problem statement. Through this project, AICTE would be assessing the quality of students and faculty members by evaluating their academic, social, cognitive, critical, and behavioral development during their course of study. A student learning assessment is likely to be enhanced further as this information will be used by faculty members and the institutions too, to build student confidence and motivate them to make progress in personal and professional career. To develop new learning programs that matches with the student's interest and their skill sets. To identify the next learning stages for students and faculty members. To analyze the cause of learning difficulties and make a policy to overcome these issues. Vision and mission of PARAKH scheme. Vision. AICTE student learning assessment is to motivate bridging the gap between the academics and industry by providing a platform for self-assessment of knowledge and 21st century skill capabilities in student and faculty member to ensure global competitiveness. Mission of this scheme: AICTE will enable policymakers and institutions to assess global competitiveness of students, faculty members, and stakeholders to trigger necessary interventions, creating a more effective system of education in the country. Goals. Common goals for education system of country aligned with National Education Policy 2020. First, a major goal of education system is to produce skilled graduates aligned with NEP 2020 goals. Second, graduates capable of contributing towards the problem solving, innovation, and productivity, leading the healthy socio-economic growth and global competitiveness. Major goals of the AICTE student learning assessment of AICTE is to produce skilled graduates by assessing and comparing student skills of country, producing skilled graduates by attending high standard academic and aptitude skills, introducing changes required in the current teaching system among the technical institutes, discovering student experience in the classroom learning in the institutes, and developing civil, social, and personal responsibility among the students of India. Major area: Major areas: engineering, math, physics, chemistry, aptitude; emerging area: MCA, management, and higher order technical skills. In engineering, we have civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science subjects. And aptitude, we have physical, mental, integrity, social values, higher order thinking skills, general knowledge. In emerging area, we have AI, machine learning, data science, robotics, 3D printing, etc. Now, assessment. A wide variety of question bank will be prepared by subject matter experts for different courses and disciplines in various subjects and areas. That is mathematics, physics, chemistry, core subject skills, engineering, and aptitude, that can judge the student proficiency in various fields like critical thinking and creativity, logical reasoning, to ensure evolving needs of competencies with the time. AICTE has ensured to validate the question banks at multiple levels. Selection of questions for assessment. A good assessment gives an equal opportunity to fully demonstrate their learning by the students. The item towards assessment and learning achievements should be utilized for the purpose of assessment evaluation of the students to have a mix of the following. First, difficulty. Difficulty of the assessment is to be taken: L1, remembering; L2, understanding; L3, applying; and L4, analyzing, as per Bloom's taxonomy. Questions are distributed dynamically at various difficulty level. Next one is veracity. A wide variety of questions will be selected from different areas, which will make it easy for students to assess for analytical and aptitude skills. Weightage. The mainly focus on skills of a student during the assessment. This is assessment cycle graph. This table provides information about year-wise how HANA test will be taken. This first one is for engineering students, second one for management, and third one for teachers. Now, this is the registration process for students and faculty. First, in the Chrome browser, click and type parach.aict-india.org and click. Then this page will be open. This page will be open. Click here on this registration. Then this menu will be open. Here choose students. Click on the student. For a student, and faculty will choose faculty. Then a registration page will be open. Here, if an institute will register yourself, then your email will be sufficient for registration. Fill your email and get details and complete the registration process. Then you will get an email in your email address. Verify yourself and complete the profile. Then you will be able to take assessment test. After taking assessment, this is a sample report you can get about your score. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for this great presentation and giving needful information about PARAKH. Now, I would like to invite IQSC coordinator, Professor Ms. Sweta Kumari, ma'am, to share her thoughts on ISO. Ma'am, please share.
Thank you so much, Jayanti ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. May I ask if the screen is available, visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Visible screen is.
Okay, ma'am. So, very good afternoon to the Honorable President, sir, and Secretary, sir. A very good afternoon to the director, sir, and each and every participants who are attending this program. And my topic is ISO. The outline of the presentation is what is ISO, then types of ISO standards. The next is ISO 9001-2015. So first, talking about the definition of ISO, it is the International Organization for Standardization. Its headquarters is in Geneva, and it is an independent non-government international organization with a membership of 167 national standards bodies. I would like to say that ISO directly do not issue any certification for quality, but rather it is having one certification body, and that body grants certification. It also accreditate, and the another term that is that we need to know is the International Accreditation Forum, that is IFA. It additionally means it works under ISO, and it verifies the companies or the institution or qualities of the companies and institution, and this institution IAF, it issues the quality certificates, right? And the thing is that this organization is also ISO IEC 17021 and 2015 certified. So as I have already told, that ISO is having a company which is providing the certification. So the name on which it is providing the certification, those names are known as, or those fields, areas are known as standards. So talking about the ISO standards, it is the collection of best practices that promote product compatibility and sharing of solution and know-how and identification of safety issues, right? And why of course the question may come in your mind, especially in the minds of the students, that why do we need such certification? So yes, of course, when we are talking about quality education, so there should be some parameters on which the quality of the institution is verified, right? Because the quality education, in quality education, we need two things. The first is the quality institution, and second is the quality students, because it is the responsibility of the institution to improve the qualities of the students, right? And of course, students are assessed because of by appearing in the examinations. So the institution are also going through such certifications, we can say that examination type of things, and where they have to prove itself. And I'm very happy to say that our college GGSESTC is ISO certified. So different parameters I have discussed, different standards are having different cost for the certification, and it depends on the industry sector, spatial sectors, and its revenue or the number of employees, and the criteria is so on. The different standards means different numbers are having for different standards. Like I would like to say that ISO 9001, it's 9001, right? One extra zero is there. So 9001 is for quality management. Then 20,000 is for service management. 22,301 is for business continuity. 27,001 is for information security. 27,005 is for information risk management, and so on. Here the last one is the 22,000 for food safety management. So different parameter, different numbers has been assigned by ISO, which gives the clear indication about the certification, that the certification is particularly regarding the quality or regarding the food safety or regarding the environment. So there are so many parameters and or standards, I would say. And if you are interested, students are interested, they can go and visit to the website, and they can find there are more than 1,500 parameters that ISO or standards that on which ISO is certifying institution or organization. Certification, we know different logos are there, of course, but yeah, if the certificate is having logo, so that is not a proof that it is authentic or not. For authentication, one need to go and check to the official website of IAF, right, or ISO to check whether it is really certified or not. As our college is certified by ISO 9001-2015, so the spatial attention on this particular parameter. I would like to say that in the previous slide, I have discussed about the different numbers assigned to the different fields or parameter on which institution or company are getting certified. So here one extra number you are seeing, that is 2015. It means that the particular or the rules are amended. The amendment is made in 2015. This is the latest one on quality assurance or quality management system, and previously it was 2008, right? So now we are following this. So ISO 9001, this is one of the most popular ISO standards for creating, implementing, and maintaining a quality management system, QSM, for any given company, regardless of its industry, capital, or size. And the institution or the company, it get certified based on 6 parameters, and these 6 parameters are control of documents, means proper documentation is required. And you know the documentation, it works from the means of course the classes to the means to academic to administrative level, both levels are in control of documents. It comes under control of documents. The next is the control of records. So the record should be maintained, right? Whether means of course first time it happens, but is it happen or it is happening for the next time or repeated or not? So that is the control of records. Then internal audit, corrective action, preventive action, control of non-conforming products. So these are the parameters, special 6 parameters. Next is the benefits of ISO 9001. So we know that if we are certified from the global of course standards, if we are coming to that, if we are matching the qualities with the global standards, so we are of course globally recognized, right? And we are following some standards, right? And we can claim that GGSESTC or the company or the production house is having quality, it's maintaining quality, right? And when we of course by getting certified, we are on their website too. So in the website of IAF, we can go and search our college, right? Next is the better internal management. So it motivates, actually, it motivates the member of the organization to work better, to work efficiently, so that they, because documentation, process of documentation and keeping the records is a hectic thing, of course, and it requires lots of energy, right? So, and if somebody starts doing this, it becomes very easy for the institution, for the students, for everyone who is associated with the particular. Once we start maintaining the things, it means saves our energy, it saves the time. The next is increase in efficiency. So as I've discussed in better internal management, that it enhances the efficiency. Once we start coming to the culture of the business world, now we know that how we should be, how it should be done, or the efficiency enhanced day by day. And at last, it improve customer retention. So customer, by customer, I would like to say that for our institution, it is the stakeholders. So their benefits are a lot benefits we are having, but here I am discussing just the 5 benefits. The next is I just would like to say the certificate, what our college is having. This is the certificate which says, and I was talking about the logo. So see, the IAF is there, ISO 9001 is there. One thing is that we have recently certified, and the date is 16th June 2022, and it is valid for 3 years. But the good thing is that each year they will be having one survey. So in 23 and 24, 2023 and 2024 too, they are having one survey. They will be checking that whether the quality is being improved or maintained at least or not, right? So the survey is equally important, right? And dear students, especially, I would like to say that why this program has been taking place, because you know that your college is providing so many platforms, so many things to you, so many opportunities to you. And when you will be appearing for the interview, they of course know that you may say na, that I am from GGSESTC, so it is ISO certified. So they may ask you what is the full form of ISO. And this happened in the previous program on 15th of September now, when Gaurav sir, the chief guest of the program on Engineers Day, he asked. So this may be asked again. So your interviewers may ask the question related to your college, that your institution is having the PARAKH, or your institution is having ISO certified. What does it mean? So you need not to go very deep to each and every scheme. But yes, you need to be aware. Your awareness shows that you are interesting. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta ma'am. Thank you so much for giving information for ISO. Now I request everyone to rejoin the link again. I request all the participants to read the link and join again. Now I request our next speaker, Assistant Professor Bikash Jain sir, to share his thoughts in Kaizen.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Thank you, Anupriya ma'am. And very good afternoon to each and everyone who are present on the last day of awareness and training program. Myself, Vikas Jain from MBA department as an assistant professor. So I have got a topic to present in front of you, that is Kaizen. Many of the last sessions has been discussed on total management quality. So Kaizen also philosopher of today's given a few concept on total quality management. So Kaizen theory depends on the total quality management. Kaizen is a Japanese word meaning continuous improvement. It is a philosophy of continuous improvement involving small changes throughout all key areas in an organization. So here you will see the Kaizen's full name is according to MI Kaizen as an umbrella concept. He has given an umbrella concept where umbrella represent the organization, company, industry, firm. So he has told that overall improvement of the quality can be achieved by focusing on the key areas. What are the key areas? Customer orientations, means company should focus on the customer orientation, total quality control. They can use robotic technology, quality control circle parameters can be used, suggestion systems, yes, feedback from the consumer, employer, employees, any can give a suggestion to the company to improve their work efficiency. Automation, discipline in the workplace, yes. Japanese are also known for his discipline at the workplace and TPM, total production management. Kanban is a technique which is used in the company to direct the employees where the plant process is being done. Means they prepare a flow chart, they prepare a label marking on the wall, and which guide them to make their work more faster and in an efficient manner. Even our college is knowingly and unknowingly accepting the same concept also by highlighting the different departments' name on the door, like examination department, director sir cabin. Library is also using the same policy to maintain the book shelf in the library. Quality improvement, yes, just in time, zero defects, small group activities, productivity improvement, new product development. These are the different parameters and different key areas which if a company implement, they will directly improve their efficiency in the output. So this is the umbrella concept of the Kaizen. Next slide. The Kaizen philosophy. Kaizen has given a different philosophy how to improve the quality. So I will start with 5S, which Sapan Dutta sir has given a brilliant presentation on it. On Six Sigma, our Dr. Rajiv Khan sir has told all this concept was given by the Kaizen to improve the total quality circle of the company. So he has focused on different factors also, like leadership, improvement in the leadership style, improvement in the overall production and production process, nurturing the team, and the discipline should be maintained on the workplace, which reflect the outcome of the company. So people used to ask, Kaizen has given a one philosophy and the company also having a different philosophy or strategy to be implemented. Which one should be adopted? So there are two strategies that company can adopt. Is one is the innovation and second is the Kaizen. So when company should implement innovation strategy, when major changes to be made, means new form of or new factory or new product to be manufactured, the innovation is required. High investment, yes, when you are setting up a new plant production process, high investment is required. Entrepreneurial risk, yes, whether in future that product is going to be clicked in the market or not. Okay, till now the acceptance from the customer is not known, so entrepreneurial risk is there. Specialized team, yes, you have to hire a specialized team as you are not known about the future market. Long-term strategy, yes, innovations involve a long-term strategy, not a short-term. Management decisions, here the innovation, the graph shows in innovation, you will see that the one flat line is there, then straight, then flat. This shows that lot of time and money is consumed for a longer period, then it reflects into the result, which slightly shows the higher side. And again, if there would not be a proper acceptance or acceptance in they again go for the research. So innovation required, the graph shows the flat. But on the other side, if you will see, the Kaizen always follow the small steps philosophy. Okay, Kaizen always say that during the production process, you can improve your efficiency of the work, and it will cost you minimum. There is no risk because already the production process is ongoing. Whatever you are doing the just add-on features. Involvement of people, they involve more and more skilled people to get trained outcome in the final phase. Yes, Kaizen is used for only short-term strategy making. The team decision approved by the management. Here, team proposes what action they are going to take to improve the efficiency and the outcome of the company. The graph shows that small, like it's just like a caterpillar riding or climbing the tree. It shows the small improvement in the functional area of the different department of the company leads to an maximization of output. The benefit of Kaizen always the process of Kaizen always give a standardization. It reduces the wastage, innovative strategy being involved, and monetary benefit means the low cost of maintaining low wastage, the proper utilization of the resources is the key success of Kaizen. Advantage of Kaizen, worthy target. Yes, you know what you have to achieve. So you always motivate team to achieve the new goal of the company. Improved teamwork. Yes, you always motivate them to enhance their skill, which reflect in the outcome. Kaizen build the leadership skill. Yes, motivating them delivers and build the leadership quality among your employees, improved in the efficiency, improved standard work documentation, improved this employee satisfaction level are the different advantages which we get from the Kaizen. Now, if they are having some advantage, simultaneously, there is a disadvantage also. Difficulties to implement in existing because minute problems are being identified, which are sometimes negligible. So it becomes very difficult to implement it. Change is difficult. Yes, the chain of the or the sequence of the production process is well defined and working in the same scenario. So if you are making a small changes, it becomes difficult to adjust it. Could cause frictions. Yes, maybe there would be a thought differences between the employees, or some few process are being changes which may cause some frictions among them. Training is requirement. Yes, small means if you are doing some changes and it is some part of technical involvement is there, so you have to hire some technical expert to train them. Enthusiasm could be one easy. Yes, the person who are working in the same rhythm, if you change them, the enthusiasm of the employees get distracted. Yes, now I am going to quote some example who is implementing the Kaizen theory in their organization and they are benefited. Sweta, the automobile company. Sweta has used this method to dedicate and has taken advantage of it principle in many different level of organization. This is the MNC company. Next, Nestle. Lean production is focused on finding the way to not only reduce the waste, but also in finding method to best use the space available, the resources on hand, and the best utilization of the talent and technology the company has in there as well. Few Indian companies are also using the Kaizen theory and they are being benefited. Kaizen has 30 consultants on a board and has catered to over 250 clients, including Gujarat government, Reliance Industries, Zydus Cadila, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Asian Paint, Godrej Consumer Products Limited, Crompton Grievous, Indian Oil Corporation, Larsen Toubro Limited, ITC Limited, Suzlon, Irvin Mills, and Raymonds are the few Indian companies, those who are getting benefited by implementing the Kaizen theory, which reflect in the total quality management of the company. Thank you, and over to Jayanti ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for delivering an informative presentation on Kaizen. Now I request all the participants kindly turn on your video. Thank you, everyone. Now, the end of the program, so I request our Professor Dr. Bikash Ghoshal, sir, convener of this program, to give vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
I am Dr. Bikash Ghoshal, Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department and convener of this program. On behalf of the organizer of this program, I express the vote of thanks. I would like to thank our Chief Patron, Shri Tarsem Singh sir, Honorable President, GGES. Our patron, Shri SP Singh sir, Honorable Secretary, GGS, also for his best wishes and blessings. My sincere thanks to Dr. Priyadarshi Jaruhar, Director, GGSESTC, and Principal Convenor of this program for initiating this program. My hearty thanks to Professor Mehmood, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering, for beautiful presentations on PARAKH. Thanks to Professor Sweta Madam, IPSC Coordinator, for delivering informative speech on ISO 9001-2015. Thanks to Professor Bikash Jain, Assistant Professor MBA, for delivering beautiful speech on Kaizen. Special thanks to Professor Anupriya Madam, Professor Jayanti for anchoring, Professor Apurva for Saraswati Bandana, Professor Tej Bahadur Singh for poster making, and Mr. Kumar Singh for IT support. Thanks to all the faculties, audience, students for present hearing. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you, Madam. Return to.
Now, I request Director Sir to end the program, to give permission to end the program.
Yes, Anupriya Madam, we can end this program now.
Thank you everyone for participating.